Hi guys, it's Steve from Fish Studio. So I help designers and business owners to avoid costly printing mistakes. So let's answer some common people questions and I'll answer some. So the first question I have on my list here is why do my printed color looks different? The reason why it looks different is because screen uses RGB. Screen uses RGB, then printed uses CMYK. Then paper type also affects color. There are some paper type that you want to print on. For example, maybe there are some paper that you want to print on 300 grammage, or they want to print on 50 grammage. Based on the paper level, it also affects the color. So whenever you are designing, be it for online or for print, sorry, for online, be it for printed materials, use the right color, which I said that C paint is for RGB, while print is for CMYK. So that is justice. And also, print reflects light, screen produce light. Just you can see, we have light on our screen. And this job, fine. This design project is designed with RGB, not CMYK. So the next question on our list is what is blend and why is it important? Good. Blend is very, very important before white edge after trimming. So blend is an extra space outside your design. For example, this design that you're seeing on my screen, I have another one over here. As you can see, we have space around. This is like a blend. This is just like a blend. So all my works are inside. Without your blend, your design may be cut out correctly after printing before they start doing the trimming. That is why that if you go to some printing shops, whenever your text are outside your design cover, find out that when they start trimming, they start pulling your head on number of lit dolish. Question answer is can you DPI the print and 32 DPI, 32 DPI for screen. Low resolution is very, very blurry. When you design in low resolution, the print will be blurry. The next on my list is should I convert text to color? Yes, it's very, very important. Prevent font from change and avoid missing font on some another computer. For example, this is the font that I use here, and if I want to impute this file on another system, they might not have this font. So to do that, go over to edit, select all text if you are selecting all text, or go over to object on your screen, just like this. Go over to object on your screen. When you go over to object, scroll down to convert all aspects. Let me go a bit. Go over to objects, scroll down to convert to core. Then you can also you can still right click on your file and click. Let me control that a bit. Also right click on your file and click convert to curve. As you can see, the text is convert. Always convert your text to always convert text to curve before sending it to print, because there are some fonts that whenever you want to print, they are not embedded. They might just change characters in the process of print. Now, the next question is what file format is best for printing? Sometimes, whenever a client say job that was designed by another designer, I always ask them to send me PDF or sometimes PNG for better quality. So always avoid screenshots, especially always avoid screenshots. WhatsApp compressed file, because sometimes a designer makes a file to a client and they want to print it out. So when they send the file back to us for you to print, the file will be very, very low because the file have been compressed by WhatsApp. Also, low quality JPEG. Now, thank God for WhatsApp. WhatsApp has advanced in the sense that you can send high resolution through documents. So the three files that we always collect whenever I want to print, the best files that is good for printing, it's PDF and sometimes PNG or high quality JPEG. So the next one on our list is, why is my printing cut wrong? The reason why the printing cut wrong is, like I said on our last question, last answer I gave, I said no bleeding, no crop size, wrong page size. That's it. Why is there? Why is a bottom market? Because there's no bleeding around it. Bleeding in the sense that there must be an extra whiting space around it, or make sure that your text are inside your workspace or your canvas. Never cut off. So quickly checklist sections. Pop is always check these things, especially those that the large format. We have the always check for CMYK mode, 300 dpi, bleed, text curve, and exported PDF or JPEG or PNG. So this part is for good. So just check this part and they are really, really good. Really, you follow all those rules. So if you find this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel for more professional printing and CorelDRAW tips. Stay tuned and God bless you. Bye.